Hello everyone, back again with my new video. In this video I'm going to teach you that how can you make your own script from the scratch. Okay, this is the second part of my video. So if you don't watch my first video, then go and watch that video. Okay, first part we just talk about the basic and the structure of our program. Then after in this video I'm going to talk you about how can you create your own like method and this type. Okay, this is the my first part. If you do not watch this first part, go and watch. In this video I've just talk about that basic structure and all over the program. In this video I'm going to teach you how can you update your make your own proxy, and then after other that's all that stuff. Okay, don't waste the time and start our video. Okay, yeah, we have recently code in our project, this called cloning project. Okay, I here make an proxy.txt file. Here only 1000 proxies. Okay, in my opinion uh, use up to you can use this line 1000, you can use up to 1 million proxy also. This is paid proxy. Okay, I have a paid VPN server, so that I have created a paid proxy there. If you don't have a paid VPN service, you can ask to me. I'm giving 1000 free proxy to my subscriber who message to first 100 viewers. Okay, first 100 viewers who message through this video, I will give them 1000 paid proxy. Okay, these are the paid proxy is basically a middleman. Okay, if you want more detailed video about proxy, I will make this video. Let's continue our script. Okay, let me go to terminal and type here code. Where not opening the terminal, what problem here? Let me just okay, it is opening. Sorry, why my PC is lagging so much. Code. Okay, it's start lagging. I don't know how. It's new laptop. Okay, I've just opened my code in terminal, so that we are just running this script in our run method. This demo one. This is for the range. Okay, I've teased how can you all this stuff. Okay, in this proxy where you can use you can just copy this paste up to 10-20 times. I recommend to use up to 30-40. Okay, 30-40 times. If you use this only, it is okay. In my recommendation, use up to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. For this video I'm just making a one only. Okay, by watching this video, you after next part you will understand all the concept of programming. If you don't understand, I'll make a separate video on all this method. Okay, we have just create our first file. Okay, pass argument. Let create a proxy server. Okay, we are creating a proxy server. If you don't know what is proxy server, in next video I'll make a detailed video on this. Okay, let's make a try statement. If you don't know try statement, as I mentioned earlier, I'm going to start Python classes. After this completing this video, I'm going to start a Python classes. This is for free. Okay, in Python classes I teach from basic to scratch. Okay, let's do not talk more set and write try statement. Okay, then after writing try statement, we are making a proxy variable. Okay, proxy variable equals to, and then after we are getting a request from proxy. Okay, request dot get. Okay, get, and then after we are going to enter our proxy URL here, and when to get this proxy URL on the format of text. Okay, text format. Then after simply an open proxy. Open, we are using a file method, open dot proxy proxy dot txt. Okay, then after txt we are just writing a write method. Okay, not reading method, we are just using a write method, so that it will write the proxy in our background also. Then after write proxy. Okay, write proxy. I'm just proxy proxy here we have redefined a proxy. Then after it will be okay proxy. Why it's showing error? Function is undefined. It is defined. What the fuck, dude? Proxy. Oh, sorry. Let me just write here. Okay, define. And then after that accept statement, accept file. Okay, accept exception as E. Okay, exception as E. Then after this, and we are going to as pass argument, and then after proxy is equals to open, and then after it will read. Okay, just simply copy this, and then after copy, then after paste it, change here return format as a read. Okay, this is in binary format, it will read, and then after right after this, you can just give on an empty parenthesis also, but if you want to return an argument, you can. I would like to use empty parenthesis, so it will just split the line in the proxy just like this. Okay, just like in our video, this line are splitted into 1 2 3 line column, like that. It will just split this code into background. It's working background, so dot split splitness, it will splitness, and then we are doing a parenthesis. Okay, our proxy server is completed, but if you ask me why I have opened this, I will just upload this proxy in my GitHub channel. Okay, as I recommended to use, and your make a new GitHub channel and GitHub account, and then after use. Okay, if many people use your proxy like this, it will just get a little bit slow to get okay IDs. Most of the users just make a proxy and then in next account, and then after they use like there, so fresh IDs are coming. As a you to update your proxy server in 1 2 week, I guess. So I'll just teach you that how can you make your proxy server if you do not have any paid type 1. So you need to just type here proxy generator. You will find so many website that you will get to. If you want to generate the proxy, these are the like random proxy. Okay, if you don't know random proxy are means that they are not updated, old version, and proxy is same as user agent. Okay, if you use random user agent, ID getting chance little bit slow. So for me, use paid proxy one. Okay, if you are my subscriber, then I'm giving a 100 first viewer to 1 million proxy. Okay, 1 million proxy I'll give, don't worry. Then after type your GitHub channel, and then after go to your GitHub channel. This is my new GitHub channel. Okay, this in this GitHub channel I'll just upload my project file here. Okay, let's me create proxy, then after create a new repository. If you don't know anything, just upload an existing file. I'll just make a small to do this, where my proxy, I'll just drag here. Then after wait a minute, oh sorry, just rename this. Okay, let me just upload, and I'll just rename there only. If I like that GitHub, and most of the people just code in this here only. Okay, proxy.txt. Okay, why it is not showing? I'll just copy it all this. You need to work here. I'll just control B. Okay, 1000 proxy are 1000 proxy has successfully updated on my GitHub account. And then after, okay, proxy has completed, just copy it out this, and then after if you want, you can just clone like this. Don't do that. Just go to here and then click on raw. It will just copy your raw code. Okay, then after control A, copy, and then after just paste here. Okay, there's this line we have shown empty here. Go and paste. Many people just go on my comment box and say me you can use HTTPS API version proxy 1000 country 1 version 2 request display, all that. That is that is not updated one proxy. You can use your own proxy if you know how to code. Then after you can just copy this paste, or you can just change this and ask to ChatGPT change this all. He will do, your chat AI will do for you. Then after we are just making our that auto type file cloning. Okay, auto type for file cloning. And then after you can just add public cloning, file cloning, random cloning in one script. Okay, no problem. And then after we are file cloning, I'll just remove and pass argument here. Then after I'll just write print 47. uh, Yesterday in my in my previous video I've teased that what does this do is just make an dash line for here. Okay, we are using here of file handling method. Okay, if you don't know file handling method, don't worry, in my programming video, in my Python teaching video, I'm going to teach you what is file handling, all the basic stuff, argument, lambda, okay, function, all this topic. Then after I'm going to go O is equals to, then after input, and input function we are using to input our file. Okay, let me just enter your file. I'll just write here enter your file. If a user enter their file, then after I'm writing a try. You can just write there if user this input, then get file. Okay, you can just do like that, but I like to use that if try statement, then read line, and it will split in this file like our proxy one, that id is only in proxy one. If you don't understand this, don't worry, in first time no one will understand. Okay, line is equals to open, then after open, then after O, our input file, it will open, and dot read, it will read that file, and after reading that file it will split this ids. Okay, splitness this ids in close parenthesis. Then after if you write and try statement, use except statement. Okay, except after if the file is not found, type 1. Okay, this is like an if else statement. You can do like this only if you don't understand that. Okay, then after I'm going to do same. I don't like to use animation. Okay, that type little bit it will just take a time, the animation, blah 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 blah, it will take time, don't worry. You can use animation function also. Okay, animation for in first line you need to write some code about animation. Then after I'll just simply write I'll just paste it out there and just write no file are found. Okay, I'll just make an print statement that no files are found, sir. You can use here AI also. Okay, if you are cloning on laptop, you can use AI by using ChatGPT API or Google Gemini API, Google Bard API, Amazon API, all this stuff. If you use API, then it will handle your all problem just like that. API function ML and generative AI are a different topic. I'm just learning a new topic on generative AI. I've just written a couple of programs in generative AI also. I'll make a separate video on AI. How can you integrate your AI with your file cloning, that it will just handle your old stuff. You can give a voice command just like hello Jarvis, just clone a file for me in Telmex. You can do like that also, don't worry. Then after type in, I'll just time sleep. Okay, time sleep means it will just stop for a 2 second. Okay, time sorry time dot sleep. Okay, time dot sleep, let's make a 2 second. Okay, here time we have not import our date and time. Okay, not import, sorry, time. Here only I will import time. Okay, I'll import a time. Then after it will after that import a time, then after you can make a back statement just like in first. I don't like to use back. Then after you can use here for statement. For xid means ids, you can type anything. Those, if you type there's something you need to understand, that you need to use in backside. Okay, if it will come or not. Then after in line. Okay, here we have written if there is ids are not in line, then append ids. Okay, ids dot append, and then after xid. Okay, xid xid, then after I'll just return a password. Okay, this is our auto password and you can use anything. Okay, our programming is little bit complicated. I'll just copy this and paste out here. Okay, like, share and subscribe. If you don't like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, I'll just make a video on this topic. Nobody talk about this type of topic. Okay, sometime my YouTube channel will be dead, I know that, after uploading this type of content in YouTube. Okay, if you watch other creator videos on this file cloning, they will just copy the other script and paste there. Nobody teach you from the scratch. Okay, if you want to understand and learn from the scratch, then subscribe to my YouTube channel. I need a support now. Okay, I'm not getting a views. Back in days I get in my channel, so please like, share and subscribe. Just asking for your help. I'm making a videos for you, this type videos. Okay, I'll make a IDs. Okay, password. I'm just adding a password like first 1 2 3 4 5 for this. Okay, if you want to update your password, you can just update your password. Let me just define password, then after closing. Okay, copy. I'll just copy it out this. Okay, this will not show an error. Okay, it will not show in here. In this type you can just write here. Okay, you wait for this second IDs will come. I'm not writing that all bullshit. And just I'll make an hold up, wait a minute. Okay, I'll just write here, wait for a minute to get IDs. Okay, you can just write like this. Okay, then after make an input function. I'll just make an input function. Okay, x is equals to input function. Then after I will just choose okay, oh, password one, I guess file not found. Sorry, a little bit wrong. This is not a password. Okay, oh shit. Okay, let me just I have written something little bit error. Okay, in file handling, if you see closely, after this file handling I should add method. Okay, sorry, but I'll add a password, but we'll just change it. Then after password. Okay, we need to use with thread full. Okay, sorry, my mistake. With function we are using a with trade max that workers is equals to how many. Let me just write 40 50 60, not 30. I'll just write 30. Then after as tool, and then after for I need to split this IDs. Okay, what should I write? For I'll just write Amul in IDs. Okay, for Amul in ID2. Then after okay, what should I write here now? IDF. Okay, IDF comma NFF, something it was like that. Okay, Amul, then after dot split. I also don't, I just try to use that auto password and this like a boring stuff. Okay, split, I think split. Okay, SPLIT is, I think this spelling is split. Okay, split, it will just split on the line like this. It will just split on the line. Then after making an making an empty container using 0, you can use empty container also dislike, but use 0 is a classic method. Then after dot Amul, then after split, then after use same, then after use lower index 1, then after use a lower function, it will just lower your password. I think this method, I think this is correct. Okay, in my opinion. Let me just I'll just run this. After that it will show me error in which part, and then after make a FRS variable, then NFF and dot split, and then after I do split on this section using an index 0. Oh, sorry, using an index 0. Then after okay, yeah, I get it. password. Then after making a pw variable empty container, it will just store a password in empty container in dictionary form. Then after, okay, use if len nmf, okay, use nmf. Then after, if password is less than 6 character, if length is, if length first is if length first is less than 3 character, just write pass argument. Or then after, if not pass argument, then after use, sorry, pass argument. If not that, then after use else loop. After that else loop, use pwv dot append. It will just add frs first plus comma 1 2. In first, it will just scan the first name of the user in from your Facebook username. If it is first, if there is a name with first 1 2 3 at the 1 2 3 4, then right, just copy it out this. And then after copy paste, copy paste first 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 3 4 5, and then after control B, you are using an nmf empty variable. Then after nmf, then after same stop for @1, control paste, and then after I will just simply write shift control shift copy, control B, and then after control B. Okay, our first statement is completed. Then after, you need to make our next statement. And then after another statement, if IDs are not match with this, if IDs are not matched with this statement, then after use another statement. If okay, I'll just copy this 3 part. Let me just copy it out, this copy, I'll just paste here. If length in 3 part, then pwb will add on the nmf variable. In after that, I need to write else statement again. This type is a little bit boring. Just you can use just this, copied out this all. Oh, sorry, control copy, just okay, all completed. Then after, if in a password list, okay, I like to do this. This is too much boring thing. Okay, if you have found someone already used this one, you can just copy and paste. It will be easy for you. If you want to write your script, okay, if you want to I not define this statement here. Okay, in upside, you need to import some module. Then after, you need to use, if password in password, you can, that thing is too much boring, bro. If password is yes, then in pw I'll write plus pless is password in pw plus. Then after for xpwd, you can use anything, I'll write here. And then after pwn ya, okay, why not say that it is not defined pwn. Okay, I'll just figure out in late. Then after append, and then after exp, ex, okay, our variable, no, sorry, ex, then after else pass, okay, use else statement. Else dot pass, it will just pass in method. Okay, if mobile, if mobile method, then in mobile, mobile, yes, sorry, in method we are not define your method also. And then after use of poll dot submit, and then after you need to define a crack dot idf comma pwb. Okay, you can use other type of method also. Okay, I'm just closing in this method also, and then after I writing an else, I'll just write an pull submit. I'll just change this method as free, change crack free, I'll just do free method, and then after it will just time sleep. Okay, up to you can here use this much only. If you want to do, then you can use these two method also. If you want to add more and more stuff, then you can just do and print statement. Okay, where our print statement line here, I guess. And then after I'll just write print. Okay, I'll just write here print completed time using a time tag function, compled completed time. Then after I'll just use, and here sorry, I'll just use here time function, time dot shift. Yes, something it is called something strf time, I guess. Okay, here it is given srf time in hour, temp hour, comma in minute. You can use second also, comma I think second one percentage, yes, I guess percentage, yes, it is okay. Plus, then after use an empty tag to use tag, and then after do this. Okay, why what is called tag function, not function any placement tag given. Okay, where our error, where it is showing our error. Oh shit, we need to write here. Okay, okay, I am not given a tag function in global variable. I'll just do this in later. Then after I'll just make an, then after I'll just write here print you got CP's IDs, your CP IDs. You can just add there all like what we called color here. Okay, if you want to add color, then you can add color, no problem. If how much CP IDs you got, you can just try using a temp percentage function, percentage bracket CP1 just CPS CP. Okay, your completed CP, and then after use okay ID. Then after you can use, I need to just define an variable offside. Okay, ox, I'm using ox not okay, let me use okay only. Then after I'm making an exit function, I'm using an print not, I'll just simply write exit. Okay, our in few line it's shown error. Let me go on first import function. Let me just import a few function. It is called from a what is called from a concurrent feature, something like that it was. Okay, let me just go on my incognito mode, and then after what is called con something like that, con current, what is called current feature, something feature peep, something like that it was. Okay, feature current feature launching on parallel task, something like that. Oh, this one. Okay, I have something found where it is it's peep function. If you want to go on this stuff, current import current phasors, then we will if you will find some documentation regarding this. Okay, not I'll just I know little bit one I using from current.features. Oh, I understand. Import thread poles. Okay, thread pole executor as, okay, sorry, thread. Okay, this line will be error. Okay, however our, okay, and this is not defined. I will just define upside there. Then after I don't need to import anything here, and then after let me go on my variable. Then after type here file cloning, make an empty container, then after okay, empty container, okay, one also. Then after cp empty container, okay, cp empty container. Then after what should, okay, oh sorry, proxy one also we need to make empty container, proxy also empty container done. Then after I think I need to make some other empty container also. Okay, oh, not empty container, you can just use empty container. I'll just make another global plus local variable, global plus local var. You understand that variable, don't go in javascript using var function. Okay, just I'll just make ids comma id2 comma loop comma, then after okay comma cp comma what we have used there. Okay, this much only. I think ids2 loop is not defined where id2, okay, where it is a method. Okay, I need to just make here empty container. For this I need to just make an empty container. Wait a minute, hold up, wait a minute, empty container done. Then after where okay, for this also I need to make an empty container for this in our global variable. Then after just this and global variable done. Sorry, UID. Okay, for this also I need to make an empty container. I'll just do this and simply this comma, just shift here. Oh no, so I'll just copy this and then after paste. Okay, done. It will not show error in my opinion. Oh sorry, we have not defined here empty variable. Then after okay, here okay, method is not defined and crack is not defined. Obviously we do not have defined any this method on. Okay, you need to define some method statement also. Then after let me just okay, I'll just simply go to here and write I'll write here not setting. Okay, I'll just write here okay, setting. Okay, make an parenthesis. Then after I'll just define here copy. For here I'll just setting for this method. Okay, Control Z and just copy here. Then after define. Okay, we need to define some setting. Okay, if you want to get okay giant, if you want to get old IDs, new IDs or mixed IDs, this type of setting we need to define here. Okay, then after only it will just I'll just write here pass argument. No, let me just write here I'll just go and copy this, so it will be easy for me to do. Just copy and then after paste here. Programming is like copying and pasting. Okay, right here, and then after you can just write here if you want to get okay IT sorry, old IDs, and then after I'll just simply remove this. Then after copy paste old new, and then after I'll type here mix IDs. Okay, I'll just go and where I'll just simply I don't want to make this too fancy. If you want to make too fancy, then you can just make too fancy here by using different colors. Okay, if you don't want to use different colors, then you can do like this. Oh, my head neck is so paining so hardly. Okay, here let's make a line here, and then after we need to make an input function. Okay, x is equals to input, then after I'll just write select select. Okay, it will just select whatever you want to get IDs. Okay, if x in 1, if x selected 1, then after use a for statement for I'll just write okay, I'll just write to in sorted. Okay, sorted in simple form ID. Then after it will just IDs 2 dot append, and then after it will just to you can define anything. In my mind sudden 2i coming it comes, and then after if you want to define anything, it's totally depend upon you. You can use else statement, else x in 2 then after use same method. Okay, for you can use do same method, or if you want to be a creative, then you can use just ggg, then after making an empty container here only. The best part of doing this coding is that you will build a logic. If you want to make an empty container here also, you can use an global. You can, if you define, you have just creating a global variable type, you can define there also, you can define here only. For this for understanding other people, you can define there also. For understanding yourself, you can define here also. Use I'll just simply just copy this, copy, then after I'll just paste here, and where oh sorry in there I'll just simply just paste, and then after I'll just simply paste here, completed. If 2 is, then it will sorted on this one, and it will just append there, completed. For new IDs, okay, for old mix IDs, do same, no problem. We'll write here else statement, and same this for same. Okay, no, just write here if only, if then after if x in if x in 3, if x in 3, then it will just for bootcamp, sorry, boycott. I'll just write simply boycott in ID, and then after x is equals to random radian. I'll just random radian 0 0. I'll just use random radian, random dot radiant, make an index 0 to length of ID ID2, then after completed ID some, oh sorry, ID2, we have not defined IDs here, just simply just make an ID2. Then after ID2, and then just insert insert, after that x tentacion, then after you can just write boycott. Okay, completed our first IDs one completed. After if write, let me just write else. Okay, if not type, then it will just simply go and tell that everyone it will run in this only. Okay, then after you can just make here your what is called print statement 1, like this only. I'll simply just copy this all, copy here, paste, and then after I'll just simply set do you want to choose method 1, method 2, whatever you want to choose. Method 1, method 2, you can just write method 1, method 2, or you can just write mix method, what method is for which method is for. You can just simply write here control method 3 yeah. Method 3, and then after I'll make an x variable to input, and then after yes electr select, and then after I'll make an again if function, if x in append using container 1, then it will go on method mobile. Okay, method dot, let me just write this program method, sorry, append, not append, and then after it will go on mobile. Okay, our this completed our this, if you show in here, okay, I'm not defining method function here. If you want to just methods, change spelling to methods. If you want to do this, you can just do this method. Okay, if to then use another function, I'll just simply type else, and then after exit, make an password variable, then exit. Okay, where we have defined here password, let me just, okay, our method, wait, it's showing error again, methods not defining methods here. Okay, we need to define methods. Then after I'll just go here and let me just define method. Okay, hold, wait, I need to define method also. Oh, sorry, I'm not right making a method container. Method sometime this is human brain. Okay, we don't like we don't sorry, what I'm just talking, that we don't know anything unless we make an error. Okay, for today's we are doing this small video only. Okay, for in next video I'm going to teach you that how can you add your method here. Okay, just let me create and to comment out this method 2, method 1, method 1. Then after I'll simply make a method function. Okay, define crack, then after id I'll just simply copy this, control copy, paste, and make here and make and pass argument. It will just simply pass this, and then after all this, and then after I'll just define control B, then after okay, our two simple script as ready. But in next video I'm just writing method 1 only. Okay, if you don't need a method 2, both are same, but just that header only change. Okay, and in next video I'm going to show you that okay, TG is also not defined. TG is equals to make an container. Okay, zero error in our code. You can just simply just program is completed. If you watch this video and go on my Telegram channel, okay, you can message on my Instagram and all the social media stuff. If you want 1 million proxies, okay, this is a golden opportunity to get paid VPN 1 million proxy. It will work up to 1 month. Other if you want make their own, if you are cloning yourself only, it will work in 1 year. I'll give a 100% damn guarantee. If it will not till 1 year, you can just ask me, I'll give you 100% whatever you want new script, I'll make a new script for you. I'm that much pretty sure about my proxies. Okay. In my past days, I used my own proxies. For this, I just sell my proxies for people, like $1 for 1,000 proxies. Okay, $2 for 20,000 proxies, and $10 for 1 million proxies. For $10 you are just getting a free proxies here for 1 year guaranteed. I'll just make a written argument for you also, just like that. Okay, our first, let me just go and run it, if it will work or not. Okay, our okay, ideas, not too many packages. Okay, so many packages shown, something near 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Now it will run. Okay, it will run. Let me just run. Okay, it is running successfully. Then after, you can just simply, oh sorry, you can just simply select one, and then after you can enter your file. It will say no, no file are found, sir, our first program is ready. Okay, after this video, after next video, I'm going to add this method function, and then after I'll start Python class as soon as possible. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe. Love you all, guys.